Hey guys, Oliver Windows here, and today I am back with another video. And as you can see, I actually have the same Windows XP laptop that I used for the Windows Vista Delta video. I have it on the monitor here, so you couldn't even tell it was a laptop, but I'm using my same Toshiba satellite laptop that was my grandmother's. Today what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be installing the Office XP small business disc that I got from the Ultimate Microsoft Mystery Box. Go up in the card in the top right up there, it'll be up there, to go check out that video. I actually had one person comment about this Office XP disc and how they used to use it. I'm not sure if they had like a student version or if they actually had this business version. I can't remember what they said, but I can't really tell, but you can look at that. You can see that right there. That's so cool. They still have the puzzle icon. They actually kept the puzzle icon from, back then, like Windows 95, 98 type stuff. This is actually still sealed, so I'm definitely going to be cutting into the seal. It has the product key on the back of it, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry if I don't seem like very talkative. I have a headache. I haven't felt good at all today, but I've been needing to post. I have been needing to post for since Friday. I've just had a very, very busy schedule, which is probably why I have a headache. But let's go ahead and get into this. I'm going to cut it open. I'm not sure if I should cut it open on camera or if I should just set it down. So I'm going to try and cut it open on camera. Probably shouldn't do it that way, but I did it like that anyway. So let's see if I can get a good peel on it. Well, I didn't get a good peel at all. I'm so sorry, guys. Alright, so let's see what these little folders have to offer. And, oh, would you look at that? It has two discs. One of them looks really screwed up, though. See that weird design going on with that one? I'm not sure it's supposed to look like that. I hope that doesn't mean it's messed up. Oh, that could actually be the design. Okay. You guys can pause to read this. I'm not going to bother with reading it. And same with this side. You can pause to read here. I'm not sure which disc to use. I'm going to pull this disc out. Let me pull both out so we can see what they have to say. All right, let's look at the first one first. Wow, that has a really, really neat design. Look at that cool design. So yeah, it's supposed to look like that. Office XP Small Business. It's got the puzzle icon up there. Really, really cool stuff. Let's see. It is version 2002, copyright 1983 to 2001. The person did say that this was actually made like between Office 2000 and Office 2003. They just wanted to release their own Office version for XP because of all the hype. He did tell me a little bit about it, but not too much, so we'll go ahead and explore it after we install it and everything. So let's put this disc to the side and let's check out what this other disc is about. It is... okay. Version 2002. Wait, did the other one say that? Hang on. Looks like the Microsoft logo's messed up on there. Unless that's just the way it's supposed to look on the print. Oh, okay. So to my eyes, it looks really screwed up, but on the camera, it looks really cool. That's weird. Oh, okay, I see. This one is small business. The other one is just normal. Now I'm not sure which one to look through, and I don't know why there's two in here to begin with. It doesn't exactly tell me which one is which. Huh, that's so interesting. I guess I'm going to have to install the small business because that's the one that was actually shown. But if you guys want me to install the normal one too, just let me know down in the comments. I may do it in this video. I'm not exactly certain yet. I haven't planned ahead on that because I didn't even know there was any other discs in here. And remember, this is sealed, so this wasn't even tampered with. So let me put this old one away, or this other one away. And I'm going to pop this one into the disk drive and go through the install process. Let's see what this has to offer. You know what? I just realized my time is wrong. Alright, so immediately, as soon as you open it up, it asks you for the product key. I don't even go through like a setup process or anything, so I'm going to go through this and I guess do the product key first. So I'll be right back. Alright, I have entered the product key. So now I wonder if I should, Just press install now, choose complete or custom. I am going to choose complete. Installs all of Microsoft Office on your computer, including all optimal components and tools. Yes, I'm going to do the whole complete process here. So let's go ahead and choose next. Alright, so it has Word, Excel, Outlook, and Publisher, which isn't that many options, but it only requires 483 megabytes, which is like less than half a gig, which I guess is pretty normal back then. It may seem like a lot, actually, now that I think about it back then. But let's go ahead and install it. Alright, so it appears it's going to take a little bit, so I'm going to cut to whenever it is done. Alright, it just said it was installing the registry files stuff, and it closed, and this right here opened. Microsoft Office XP Small Business Setup has completed successfully. So, alright, let's just push OK. And for some reason, as you can see up here in the top left, Microsoft Outlook is there, but nothing else. Oh, okay, that's right, it's an email, so. Alright, so the 4 programs that came with it was Word, Publisher, Outlook, and Excel. And it has a tools here. Okay, so it has a lot more stuff. It's got Activate Product, not sure what it means. Microsoft Clip Organizer, Microsoft Office Application Recovery, Document Imaging, Document Scanning, Shortcut Bar, Language Settings, Photo Editor, and Save My Settings Wizard. Alright, so this is kind of similar to the Office 95 stuff, or Office for Windows 95. But let's go ahead. Let's just look into it. First, let's try opening Word. It's pretty much just like, normal Word. Okay, you gotta look through the EULA, which I am definitely reading right now, and I'm done. I've accepted it. Oh, it's installing some stuff? Why is it asking me to activate whenever I use the freaking activation? See, that's the downside of connecting to the freaking internet with these products, because this product key has never even been used before. Actually, don't quote me on that, because they could have easily used this product key, because it was plastered right here on the back, just covered up with the plastic. The plastic was there, and they could see right through it. So I'll be activating later. I can run it 49 more times, which is not a big deal, because I probably won't even open it that many times, but let's go ahead and type out a little Word document. This is a Word document. Let me put test in there. This is, no, not a test, just a test. This is a test Word document. I don't know why the person said that this had like the Windows 2000 like top here, but it still has Windows XP. So this is pretty like normal, I guess. This is what Office looked like before Office 2003, which had, the actual bar at the top. And it had that button and everything, so it's missing quite a bit from what I'm used to seeing. I was hoping to... Oh, there it is. Bold, italicize, and underline. Something I always do in these things. So let me save this as a... Yes, this is a text document. Well, that was a neat little animation. What if I... Does it do it every time you save? No, I don't think so. Okay, so you can open documents over here. So you can do a new blank document, which is pretty normal, but you could also do a new blank web page and a blank email message. I've never actually... What is that? Okay, I'm going to ignore that. Oh, where'd the bar go? The bar is missing. I'm not exactly sure how to open up that bar. Let's see. Again, I have a headache, so it's really hard for me to, like, pay attention and choose. Is it in here somewhere? I can't see it. Well, whatever. That's okay. Let's press new. There it is. Okay, when you push new, that happens. All right. Let's do blank email message. What happens when you do that? Outlook 2002 startup. Well, looks like we're looking into setting up Outlook next. I don't know if I can now that I think about it. Oh, hey, look, it's Clippy. Oh, Clippy's gone. Yeah, they said Clippy was just disabled by default, but you could actually enable it somehow. I just don't know how. Yeah, I have no clue where Clippy would be. I'm sure someone in the comments would let me know, but I've never actually looked into it. Like, I've never seen Clippy before or anything. I've always wanted to. Because I mean, people always said that he was annoying, Bonzi Buddy wasn't annoying. It's very strange. It's funny because now he's like all over the place, but... Alright, let's move on to the next program. Whoa, what the heck? I don't even know what just happened. How the heck? Alright, let's move on to Microsoft Publisher. Alright, so what is Microsoft Publisher? I don't think I've ever actually heard of this before. There's a lot of publications to... Oh my goodness. Scroll is very fast. Is it like some sort of book-related stuff? Okay. You can make brochures. Interesting. Let's open one up here and try and edit it a little bit. The wizard will fill in your name, address, and other information for you so you don't have to enter it each time. Okay. Cool. Alright, so I guess it just fills this stuff out here. Let's make a new one. Let's make a brochure. Let's do... Well, those two look the same. Let's do this one. It has my favorite colors. Wow, that is so hard to see. I'm sure you could move? Oh, huh. This is where you provide a description of your special event. Back panel heading. Cool. I definitely would be doing that right now. But I honestly don't think I should make this video too long, so I will definitely be doing this another day. So that's Microsoft Publisher. Actually really neat stuff they made. Next we have Outlook, which we looked at. Next we'll look at Excel, which never has changed. It's literally the same thing each time. Yeah, so that's Microsoft Excel. Choose workbook. Wait, hang on, what? Uh-oh. It's not working. There we go. Choose workbook. I don't have a workbook. General templates. Okay. So there's some spreadsheets, which is cool. You got the balance sheet, expense statement, loan amortization, sales invoice, time card. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. No, I'm not going to save that one. So that was pretty much it. That's pretty much it with Microsoft Excel. Now let's look at the tools real quick. So you got Clip Organizer. Clip Organizer can catalog pictures, sound, and motion files found on your hard disk. Okay. Alright, what did that do for me? Doesn't appear it did too much. Well, it found the Windows sounds. Let's just pick one. What is this one? Can I not play it? Okay, I guess you can't play these. How weird. Well, that's Clip Organizer for you. Let's move on to the next thing here, which is Application Recovery. I have a feeling okay, there's no applications to recover? Alright, cool, I guess. What about imaging? This is like using the scanner or something, but clearly nothing is here. Yeah. Let's open the scanner one, the one below it, see if it looks any different. Hopefully it does, but it probably doesn't. Document scanning. Oh, it does. Let's do color. Okay. Scan. Boom. Yeah, can't scan. Doesn't have my printer drivers on it. Alright, what's next? Shortcut bar. What is the shortcut bar? Actually, I'm curious. Would you like to configure the Office shortcut bar to start automatically when winter? Yes, I would, actually. Oh! Okay. So it has that same exact bar that Office for Windows 95 uses. How neat. So new Office document, open Office document. You can view messages, appointments, you can add tasks. Which is what? What is the task thing? It's just literally a task. It does, okay. So this adds a little bit of stuff that you can actually view without you opening the bar. You can add a contact, a journal entry, and a note. Let's add a note. Wow, it actually has a notepad. Windows XP doesn't come pre-installed with a notepad either. This is a test note. Cool. I actually really like that. I wish I would have known about that because I used to use notes all the time. I don't know if it does. I guess, yeah, Notepad does exist on Windows 11, huh? Didn't think about that. Then, of course, you got your Word, Excel, Outlook, and then there's Publisher. So, yeah, what else? Is there anything left on here? You got your language settings, which I'm not going to bother with, because I am only English. I can't really speak anything else. You got your photo editor, which has piqued my curiosity. I've always wanted to know what this was. Let's open sample pictures. Let's do sunset, why not? So is this supposed to be like some sort of, I don't know, paint.net or Photoshop? It doesn't appear there's too many freaking effects you could do to it, so let's watercolor it. Why not? Why not? Oh, wow. Okay. That, I can't tell if that looks cool or not, so I'm just going to save this. Oh, Jesus. I just saved the original. Alright, what's last? Save my settings wizard. What is the heck does this mean? This wizard lets you pack up your Microsoft Office specific settings. These settings can be saved to a file or the web. You can later restore your saved settings to this machine or another machine. Alright, gonna save these settings. Let's just save it to a file and finish. Ignore. Read. Okay. Yep, never mind. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was a short one. I'm sorry it was a short one, but hey, I wanted to look through this, and I think some other people might want to see it too. So that's pretty much it. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, check the cards, any cards that I put up there in the top right. I do it all the time. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you subscribe right here, likes over there, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye, guys.